Alright, Maya, you're the decoy while I run.
I shouldn't say anything?
What?
I shouldn't say anything?
No, you're good. Don't give any eye contact. You got it on video?
Oh, yeah.
So, see where we are here. Okay. And you see... Hi, puppy. I'll get you out of that van, son. I got $5. Taking bits? Okay. And he gets bit 3 times. It's only $5.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
$5.
$5?
You are one ugly dog. Big guy. Yes, you are. You are an ugly dog. I've seen boxers prettier than you. Oh, I got you now. Yep, I got you now. You got them on the corrective collar or flat collar?
Corrective.
Corrective.
Hey, shh, shh, shh. Sit. Sit. Shh. Shh. Does the bed get higher as time goes by, or does it? I think I already lost the bed. Oh, we ain't done yet. He ain't done yet. Hey, shh. Hey, shh. Sit, sit, shh. Sit. Yes, sir. You are ugly. That's that. Yeah. Sit. Separation anxiety.
Yeah, my first problem is I think our baby's
I do the same thing. Open the gate. Do you mind holding this? I'm sorry. Thank you. Do you still want me to video?